Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a comfortable, stable, and powerful way to ride, an electric tricycle can be a great option. These three-wheel electric bikes offer better balance, extra cargo space, and a relaxing riding experience, making them perfect for commuters, seniors, and everyday riders. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026 based on power, battery range, build quality, and overall value. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's start it. Number 1. Qlife Triker Plus Electric Trike for Adults. Taking the number 1 spot is the Qlife Triker Plus Electric Trike. This electric tricycle stands out with its peak 1200W motor and 624Wh battery, delivering impressive performance and a range of up to 65 miles on a single charge. It also features 20 by 4-inch fat tires, which provide excellent traction and stability on both city roads and light off-road terrain. One of its biggest advantages is the foldable design, making it easier to store compared to many traditional electric trikes. With its strong motor, long range, and convenient design, the Qlife Triker Plus offers the best overall balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Pros: powerful 1200W peak motor, up to 65 miles range, foldable design, fat tires for better grip. Cons: slightly heavy, premium pricing. Number 2. KAKIGO Folding Electric Tricycle. At number 2, we have the KAKIGO Folding Electric Tricycle. This electric trike is powered by a peak 1350W motor, making it one of the most powerful options on this list. It also includes a 48-volt 15.6 Ah battery, providing strong performance and solid range. The 20 by 4-inch fat tires help improve grip and stability on various terrains, while the aluminum folding frame makes storage and transportation easier. It also includes front and rear baskets, making it a great choice for riders who need both power and cargo capacity. Pros: powerful 1350W motor, large 48-volt battery, aluminum folding frame, fat tires for stability. Cons: bulkier compared to standard e-bikes. Assembly may take time. Number 3. 24-inch electric tricycle, 350W 3-wheel electric bike. Coming in at number 3 is the 24-inch electric tricycle for adults. This trike features a 350W motor with 500W peak power, which provides smooth and reliable assistance for daily commuting. It comes with a 48-volt 13Ah removable battery, allowing easy charging and decent riding range. The 7-speed gear system adds versatility when riding on hills or different terrains. Another standout feature is the large removable rear basket, which is perfect for grocery shopping or carrying items. Overall, it's a practical electric trike for everyday errands and commuting. Pros: removable 48-volt battery, 7-speed gear system, large cargo basket, UL safety certification. Cons: lower motor power compared to premium models, not designed for high-speed riding. Number 4. VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle for Adults. At number 4, we have the VIRIBUS Electric Tricycle. This model is designed especially for comfortable daily riding, making it a great choice for seniors and casual riders. It features a 250W or 350W motor with 500W peak power and a 468Wh removable battery. The trike is available in 24-inch and 26-inch wheel sizes, giving riders flexibility depending on their height and riding preference. It also supports a maximum load capacity of around 330 pounds, which is great for carrying cargo. With its stable frame and smooth ride, the VIRIBUS Electric Trike is a reliable option for everyday use. Pros: comfortable and stable design, multiple wheel size options, good weight capacity, removable battery. Cons: moderate motor power, battery range is average. Number 5. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle with Passenger Seat. At number 5, we have the KAKIGO Electric Tricycle with Passenger Seat. This unique electric trike is designed with a two-seater configuration, allowing you to comfortably carry a passenger. It features a powerful peak 1350W motor paired with a 48-volt 15.6 Ah battery, delivering strong performance and reliable riding range. The trike also includes front and rear baskets, making it perfect for carrying groceries, gear, or other cargo. Another helpful feature is the rear differential system, which improves balance and provides smoother turning. Overall, it's a versatile electric tricycle that combines passenger comfort with practical utility. Pros: two-seater passenger design, powerful 1350W peak motor, large battery capacity, front and rear cargo baskets. Cons: larger size requires more storage space, higher price compared to basic trikes. So that was our list of the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026. If you want the best overall electric trike, the Qlife Triker Plus is our top pick. But if you want maximum power or passenger capability, the KAKIGO models are also excellent choices. You'll find all the product links in the description below for the latest prices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.